Aww. And then you put the high chair. The baby's gonna eat. Yeah, that's more. The baby's gonna eat. Look, Grandma got you an Elmo book. Look at the Elmo book. Who's that? Who's that? Huh? Where's your Elmo book? You show Elmo? Huh? Where's Elmo? Where's your Elmo book? Huh? Hey, you don't go in there. That's for the baby. Hey, what are you doing? Can I have a kiss? Can you say hi, Grandpa? Can you say hi? Say hi.